Every year more than 200 million televisions are sold worldwide. What's really interesting is seeing how these televisions are assembled, tested, and packaged, all on a carefully planned production line with synchronized workers and machines to achieve incredible efficiency. But have you ever wondered how televisions are made? We visited a factory that produces LED televisions to find out how they are made. This mega factory measures more than 1 million square meters and produces 500,000 smart TVs a year. Its specialty is manufacturing huge televisions. It is a state-of-the-art production facility where people work quickly. One of today's technological marvels is the flat liquid crystal display LCD screen, which is the key component found in televisions, computer monitors, and most smartphones. Compared to normal televisions, LED TVs offer a more vivid image with better contrast, and the product is thinner. Modern televisions are much thinner than their predecessors thanks to changes in the manufacturing processes. Glass is the largest component of a flat-screen TV and is the starting point for creating televisions. The process begins in a clean room where the television screen is manufactured. LCD screens are made by sandwiching two thin glass sheets together. Then, a layer of silicon is deposited, followed by a process that precisely builds millions of transistor pieces. This step is repeated for tiny cells, one for each known point known as pixels on the screen. On the other sheet of glass, a matrix of millions of red, green, and blue dots is made, also known as the color filter matrix. Then, small amounts of liquid crystal material are dropped into the cells of the first sheet, and the two sheets are glued together. Next, the LEDs are installed. This machine is responsible for installing the LEDs in their strips. The challenge is to disperse the light through a screen that can be 1.5 meters wide. The solution is a transparent plastic known as plexiglass. When a light shines through one end, the structure of the plexiglass is split across the sheet. In the production line, a robot places the panel on the light strip and then adds two optical films that use the light to make everything on the screen appear brighter and more colorful. High-pressure plastic injection machines produce the various front casings for different television sizes. Once the screen is finished, the frames are attached. However, liquid crystals will not work without power. The components that distribute that power are manufactured here with this machine. The mainboard, called the SSV, and the powerboard, called the PSB. It is the brain of the television, and its circuits contain complex algorithms that ensure the image and sound are perfect. It also has other boards such as the control boards that are on the sides of the televisions, the reception of the remote control signal, and the Wi-Fi board. Generating the image and sound involves using a large number of individual components that are placed one by one on thousands of base plates. In this section, the base plates are completed with the insertion of the components. They then go through a wave soldering process that electrically connects all the components. In the next stage, workers screw the base plate to the back cover of the television. The electric screwdrivers used to attach the plates to the television panels are carefully calibrated not to tighten them too much and are suspended from above to reduce fatigue. The televisions then go through a testing area where software and necessary information are recorded on the memory. After that, the back panels are added, and the finished televisions undergo a quick color test. At that moment, the television is turned vertical and turned on for the first time. All components are checked and an electrical test is performed to verify that everything is correct. Some defects cannot be seen with the human eye, so high-sensitivity scanners focus on key areas to ensure that all pixels are active and firing as they should. The average lifespan of one of these screens is 100,000 hours. Each pixel constitutes a point in the displayed image. High-definition screens have more than 2 million pixels, and each one has 3 pixels: red, blue, and green. By combining these 3 colors, a TV can display more than 1 billion different colors. The final quality control process lasts a minimum of 4 hours, and each device undergoes exhaustive testing. The entire process is supervised by highly skilled experts. The TVs are hand-packed before shipping in cardboard boxes. The end of a long assembly line results in hundreds of televisions packed on pallets, and once the packaging is complete, the TVs are loaded onto a truck to begin their journey to the customer. If you want to know how gasoline is made, you have the link in the description and in the first comment. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating notifications to continue learning. Bye bye.